everyone, welcome to my video. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Nadila Islamia, majoring in Computer and Network Engineering. I'm 12th grade. Here I will provide a tutorial on crimping UTP cable.
The tools and material we use are line tester, crimping pliers, UTP cable, cable stripper, and RJ45 connector. The first, get the UTP cable to the required length. The second, peel the outer protective layer of the UTP cable with the cable stripper. And then sort the wires into the correct order. Number 4, get the ends of the wires that have been sorted. Number 5, insert the wires into the RJ45 connector. Number 6, insert the RJ45 connector into the crimp tool to prise. And the last, double check each wire to ensure it is installed correctly.
Thank you for watching, guys.